During a routine flight, things can rapidly turn critical in the air. Pilots need clarity, composure, and the ability to act with precision. That's why the Bell 505 is built to prepare students for the unexpected, with a balance of safety, stability, and simplicity that sets it apart. A durable helicopter, the 505 is perfect for teaching essential techniques such as an auto-rotation. During the auto-rotation, the 505's rotor system offers extended response windows, giving students the space to absorb, react, and refine essential procedures without unnecessary pressure. Its forgiving handling qualities and wide performance margins make high-stakes lessons manageable, allowing instructors to let students work through the scenario while maintaining complete control over the situation. The intuitive idle fly switch streamlines emergency procedures while removing complexity, in turn helping students stay focused on making the right decisions at the right time. Built for stability and control, the Bell 505 redefines simplified emergency training. Instructors can teach and guide more effectively, while students walk away with confidence in their abilities to navigate unpredictable situations. Confident training starts here, setting a new standard for preparing capable pilots who feel genuinely ready for real-world challenges. Discover how the Bell 505 is reimagining emergency training. Visit our website to learn more.